Ever wondered how many subscriptions are charging your card each month? Whether it's streaming services, app memberships, or forgotten free trials, I'll show you how to find all active subscriptions linked to your debit or credit card. Many of us sign up for free trials and forget about them until we notice unexpected charges. So checking your subscriptions helps you avoid unnecessary charges, cancel unused services, and track where your money is going. One of the easiest ways to check your active subscriptions is through your mobile banking app. First, go ahead and head over to your mobile banking app and head over into your transactions history. Search for recurring charges by looking for familiar merchant names. Some banks have a subscriptions tab that automatically lists all recurring payments. If your bank doesn't have this feature, you can manually search for recurring payments or filter transactions by date. And that is how you can simply check all subscriptions on your card. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.